Oh, this is also amazing, but it's going to be replaced soon, unfortunately. They have already started the replacement in 2 of the 4 staircases here in this residential building here on Kupittaankatu. Kuppi's got an 11 to 13. This is staircase C, so the staircase can be gone already, but if one is finished, we can see how it looks like.
Yeah.
There's 7 floors. And we can film the staircase D, which is also orders now still.
Yeah.
It's next to the Kuppi service station. And also where the light rail should be built immediately. First new one. Built in 1967, turned 55 years old in 2022, and civilization 15417 is going to be inspected in 2025, and the sticker is in both official languages, the warning sticker. But there's no for samples.
Yeah. Is dit that maintained by Kone?
It's weird that this is also something I had missed, didn't film.
Yeah.
This is next one. Let's go to the stage.
That's